Hello and welcome. This is Corel Mel with Key Lifestyle Solutions, grandmother Raven Sturkle Lights Up the Sky, and I'm doing our community update outside today. I thought I would take advantage of that beautiful sunshine, which I've been doing a lot more of lately, by the way. My intent is to spend more time outside than inside, especially while we've got the summer coming up. So I've been doing my morning walks early in the morning to get in the morning sunshine. So if there's some noises that happen while I'm talking, that's just how it goes when you're outside. So a couple of notes, just to recap on what happened in May. We had some magical full moon ceremonies. Oh my goodness. I tell you, they were so great, and we had such great turnouts for them. It was super fun to see everybody. I want to put a shout out to everyone who attends, those especially who come every time. That's awesome. What else do we have? Community group drumming at the end of the month, and it landed on a full moon. Then we did the full moon the next night on Monday, which was June 1st. It was absolutely magical. Group drumming was fun. There was this celebration going on next door, across the hall from us at the community hall, and they were celebrating Buddha's birthday, so that was quite appropriate. Let's see what else. We had Reiki Master Level 3. Very nice. Beautiful students coming through, taking classes. Reiki shares, and always such great participation. It's wonderful to see, especially new people showing up for those. Besides the Reiki share, let me see. We didn't have cacao, or we didn't have a new moon ceremony, but that's coming up in June. We have both of those happening because it's summer solstice. So you may want to come to that. That's going to be sacred cacao and a sacred plant new moon tea ceremony. And that's going on as well. I don't know if it's the same weekend. No, I don't think it is. They're just one's on a Saturday, one's on a Sunday in June. So you'll see that in the newsletter. So there's a lot of things changing up that's going to be happening in the fall. There's going to be like a whole different kind of schedule for classes, because we want to see people be able to participate in all capacities and all levels, like wherever you are, so that you can come and go in, jump into your learning and do that as you go along. So I'm going to reveal all that in the fall. There's going to be some new things added. We're going to do monthly new moon ceremony, more than likely. I haven't gone through the whole schedule yet. There's going to be monthly group drumming. That's the intent. So once I've got that all figured out, that'll be on the schedule for everybody to see. I also wanted to talk about the energy it's huge right now. It's wanting to move so quick, and it is. We got the Earth Medicine class this weekend, in the month of June. Practitioner of Excellence is happening, and so I was going to move everybody along quite nicely, very quick. Of course, we have this fire energy that's moving things along, but there's also this opening. There seems to be more awareness, more people waking up, and they're looking. Their higher self is guiding them to look. So that's why I'm aligning with the energy for this year, because it's asking for change. So many things are going to be changing. But it's super exciting. A lot of work, but super exciting all at the same time. Lots to share. Because we want to do cacao monthly too. So all of those things are going to weave in. Probably with the classes. Don't know how that looks yet. We will be figuring that out. There is also something I'm offering for folks on a very very accessible, easy to do. It's harmonic heart healing, and it's really putting the reins to you, to the client, to the individual. I'm just merely being the mirror and reflecting what's in your field for you to look at and for you to resonate with and to do the healing for yourself. It's really quite amazing and easy. Anybody can do it, any age. That's the cool part. And I made it very affordable. So I hope you check that out. There'll be a link on the newsletter. It's very reasonable. 30 minutes, $33.33. You only need 30 minutes. That's it. So super excited to be able to offer that as well. Yeah, there's, I better mention we take our summer break in July. There's still a newsletter that comes out July and August. There might be a surprise gathering of some ceremony or something interesting that all of a sudden wants to be birthed. That might happen. So keep your eyes peeled on the newsletter. What else? So many things. I wrote them down what I thought I would capture to share. But most of that, I think I got it all. Yeah. I think the big thing was, we're having summer break because everybody goes on vacation and they're doing a bunch of fun summer stuff, which I'm also going to be doing. But of course, as always, if you have any questions, you are looking for something in particular, please reach out. Do not hesitate to ever reach out. Text me, email me, phone. It's all good. And hope you have a wonderful June. It's a busy time for many folks, but hope it's a wonderful June for you. And we'll catch up real soon.